Hey there, my name is John Hartman, and in this free presentation, I'm going to share my secret methods to reconditioning old batteries. You see, a few years ago, I worked as a forklift salesman. These forklifts use huge batteries, up to 225 amp hours, and as you would suspect, they cost a small fortune. While I was working there, I noticed a huge pile of old batteries. These batteries were well over 100 pounds each, and each month, the pile of old batteries were picked up by some young guy in a white van, and I never saw them again. I asked my manager, why on earth does this guy want our dead forklift batteries? He told me, I have no idea. I'm just glad they're gone. The next month came around, and this young man was there, ready for his next load of batteries. I went over and asked him why he wanted them. He said he restores them and sells them as new batteries for a profit. I was actually quite perplexed and said, but they're dead. How do you bring them back to life? And he said back to me, that's my secret, buddy. He smiled and drove off. Another month went by and he was back again, but this time I cornered him. I sat him down and I asked him to spill the beans. I told him there are thousands of others all over the world that would love to know his secrets. I found out his name was Craig Orrell, and he was a really nice, down-to-earth guy. And after speaking with Craig for a few minutes, I was stunned. I didn't realize exactly how easy and fast it was to restore these batteries. He also told me he restores all types of batteries, not just wet cell types. He restores car batteries, laptop batteries, rechargeable batteries, and various long-life batteries. I soon realized that this kid was making a small fortune. I asked Craig if he would like to share his secrets with the world by creating a step-by-step guide to restoring old batteries. After some arm twisting and, to be honest, a few annoying phone calls from me over the course of a month, he decided to join me and create the most comprehensive guide ever. We needed the guide to be easy to follow, provide plenty of picture and diagrams, and cover all of the common batteries. A few months later, we finally finished the guide named simply Recondition Battery. Our guide will show you how to recondition all types of batteries, including lead acid. These are car batteries. Li-ion. These are laptop batteries. Ni-CD, also called NiCad. These are rechargeable batteries. And Ni-MH. These are long-life batteries. We also go into detail on testing your batteries before and after the restoration process, so you are 100% confident that the batteries are working to their full potential. Plus, Craig has decided to throw in one more special bonus for a limited time only. In fact, he's limiting this giveaway guide to only 250 people. Today, for a short time only, you will get Craig's very own guide to making money by restoring old batteries. Craig has been restoring batteries for nearly 4 years and quietly making a six-figure income from it. There are many people that want batteries reconditioned, and this means there is plenty of opportunity for you to cash in. If the batteries don't come to you, then you can go to them. By that I mean you can purchase dead batteries in bulk from auto mechanics and other various places for next to nothing. You can then recondition them with the information contained in this do-it-yourself guide, then sell them for a nice profit as working batteries. Craig's guide explains every step of the process, so you can copy exactly what he does to start making money right away. This business model is great because not only can you earn a six-figure income, the more batteries you recondition, the more you make, but it's also great for our environment. Of course, Craig's battery business guide is just a free extra. You don't need to start a battery business, it's just something Craig wanted to share. Most people just want the cold, hard information on restoring batteries so they can save some money. Look, batteries aren't cheap, which is probably the reason why you're watching this video in the first place. By reconditioning old batteries, you can save hundreds. Plus, if you need multiple batteries for an off-grid energy system or something similar, you can literally save thousands. We both knew the information in this guide would be very valuable, so it was hard to put a price on our work. Even if somebody just wanted to restore one battery, they could save a few $100. But for people wanting to restore many batteries, it could save them many thousands. So we decided that the price of $197 for our complete battery restoration guide and the battery business guide would be fair. But the price of $197 is out of reach for many people. I mean, sure, it's worth that much, but we also wanted to help as many people as possible. So we cut the price down to just $97. And even then, it just seemed like we could be helping more people at a lower price. So at the risk of underpricing our reconditioning plans, for a short time only, we are selling the Recondition Battery Guide with the free Battery Business Guide for a tiny one-time cost of just $47. I realize this is a huge 76% discount, but it's what we feel is right. So for a limited time, claim your copy of Recondition Battery at the discounted price of just $47 by clicking the Add to Cart button below this video. Honestly, this guide will save you thousands of dollars because once you have this guide, you can use the information for life. So whenever you have a battery that's on its way out, use this guide to bring it back to life. Here's a few recent comments from people just like you that have used our plans. Thanks for helping me recondition my batteries. I was actually about to throw out 4 car batteries that I thought were dead. They are all working perfectly now and have about 14 volts each. That was from Christopher in Illinois. Here's another from Alan S. in New South Wales, Australia. I tested 2 batteries on the weekend and both of them seemed to be dead. After using your methods, I was able to rejuvenate them both to 100% working batteries. Thanks, you just saved me about $180. This is definitely something that will help me and my friends in the future. Well done, John and Craig. And one more from Adrian M. in Texas. I must say, this is without a doubt the best guide to reconditioning batteries available. I have purchased some guides in the past, but not one of them come close to the amount of detail in yours. It's actually worth much more than $50. Anyway, thanks for the help and congratulations on a fantastic product. These comments are from regular Joes just like yourself that wanted to save some money by restoring their batteries. We have designed our plans to be super easy so that anybody can successfully restore their batteries. Even those that don't know the difference between positive and negative will be able to use our plans and restore their battery with ease. So be quick and claim your copy of Reconditioned Battery now while the price is just $47. Also, our guide is absolutely risk-free to you with our love it or it's free guarantee. This means if you don't successfully restore your battery, or if you find the instructions too hard to follow, or even if you don't like the font I've used in the guide, I will refund your investment straight back to your account. No questions, no hassles, and we will part as friends. You can even keep the guide just for giving it a fair go. Plus, remember, Craig is only releasing 250 copies of his Battery Business Guide, so make sure you order now to get it included for free. So click the Add to Cart button below this video and claim your copy of the highly successful Reconditioned Battery right now. And I will speak with you again on the inside.